So this is a review of this new heavy-duty metal fluid drag panning head for my tripod. And I gotta tell you, I really like it. It's so much better than the one that came with my tripod. This right here is your standard ball head that, you know, it works great until you want to start making movies, videos. It sticks, it doesn't move smoothly. And after a while, this little pin here, it just wouldn't hold it when I had the big camera on it. So that's when I decided to start looking for the fluid panning head for your tripod. And there's a lot of them out there. This one has your standard base. Will fit on just about every tripod. And first I'm going to show you the quick release plate. You turn this knob over here on the right, which loosens it, and you have to press that little red button, which is the insurance system. And this is the plate here. I'm going to get another one because I want to keep one on the lens and one on the body. But you have more options to adjust it for balance also compared to the other one. And I really like that. And then you just tighten it back down here on the right. And now second, you have the adjustment knobs. This one is for up and down. And when you tighten it, it's really holds very well. It doesn't move. And the one over here on the right is the tension control for horizontal, for panning. So much smoother. Now this handle is also movable. You can take it off, you can put it on the right or the left side, depending which hand you want to use, I guess. So overall, I really like this fluid motion panning head. There's a lot of them out there. I'm not being paid to promote this one. It's just one that I found. And if you want, they actually have the gimbal heads that work even better than these, but then you're talking a few $100s. So you just have to do some research, but I do recommend them. I think it works really well for videos. So now I have one more thing I was going to show you, being I'm doing a review here. I'm going to walk out here to the edge of the driveway. I have a bird feeder over there next to the trees. It's kind of cloudy and blah today. So I wanted to show you one more gadget that I found. It is a remote wireless shutter release button. I've used the ones that actually have a wire, and those work very well. This one is called a Velo, I believe you pronounce it, and it can shoot up to 250 feet. You put it at the top here and plug it in there. And this little gadget, it'll do more than shutter release. It does timing, it does time lapse. I haven't even got that far yet. I've only gotten as far as shooting a photo. So I want to thank you for watching today. I hope any of this might help you. I'm going to leave you with a time lapse because the sun came out later this evening. So thank you for watching, and as always, I hope to see you next time on Adventures Outdoors.